Hi everyone. Pacho IGP. Enyumrei Mechiao. IGP, Inspector General of Police. IGP, Yera James Opompono. Pacho Ghana fo nyina se menchiao ma wo. Na de ba ko pene ha yen se yesrewada papa. Yesrew. Baby bia mokọ akọfa intelligence na free a. Mo betimi dia keka niema esi ani abom aboa magana fo yeda yetimi ada na IGPA yesrem monye why nsi ada Ghana fo nyina ehu aboyen yese mami mashebe dwani man fantima fo yi effort kwansa effort kwansa ne yiri ofilia kwansa ai na no be kan enra wo se mo afre US marshals mo intelligence mo be boost up security dey in Ghana yesremo brofo no doso mo come because yesro seriously yesu e na ko so yi and now you see a kete na ese anadwo kra de asem abedwen se obi ani wonte bi o matete na awia kadapa awia kete Jamestown ne etuo posi ni akronfo atimi aboni tuo woni tirimu amana hwe na ono maame ogire ne ba bi kra ton na nka na so wo di dwa akobo na bushefo monya bibie di no ono so makuna ka ho IGP ne wo se Ghana nye heaven ti crime betimi yesrew yenim se Ghana nye heaven now so wo betimi ayen hihye bi asa broad day robbery ni nasefo no so betimi at because it wasn't like this yenim se it wasn't like this nduka se Ghana nye heaven. In fact, today when I saw the story, I was like, Ghana nye heaven and Ghana so intimi nye heaven, but at least mo betimi aye bibia fa ho. And just as you said, say mo you are on your toes there and ekra they was in you be who am robbers na but 20,000 Ghana cedis it's good. And yeah, because the person who got shot was a policeman nintina mo be ye gidigidi no makochi akonfo na mo wi makope ba bia atno IGP yesremo say see at the baby Ghana edrun. In fact obia is in fear and panic and achie nyina pamocho monke kam human na dan kwakufa do yesremo adwen bia wasamo keka bom keka si animu na munya solution to this kind of broad day robbery cases ne say ye night to say broad day yesremo we are all in fear ehuache ye pamocho intelligence kura musimo je free United States of America mo marshals ho no mo nye nentem na mo make kan yemensia ani mayo na ye mama die police in India I think it was Monday. Yes, Monday. And a Sunday and a Jua a Monday no so I think 11:45 or so a porch run about one so yes say National Petroleum when a driver you shooting no. I mean these things when you keep hearing these things I say ain't paying for a crown walk about Bambo can say one more security kura woman ne kesi anaso more protection papa be poi and ye yoms and ye go actually the IGP there never between yesremo some yesremo mada and yesremo amon penso be room anim no money soon tetim na mo hu ne ekoso o my Ghana because baby asem na do ne de ho me dear me I'm in a total fear and panic. Me panic is because wait and ya dear was here did agrokra. I was the most original say baby bia was a mura na mudi jumano muni senia hey yamfa ho all we need to all what we expecting right now is say ye be hu say o mind is stable any chronosem no na yeda yetimi adabe na say ne ekoi I don't want to say what I'm thinking but ne ekoi because as I'm ranting almost show you I'm not you bet 24 21 25 and 30 for no the secretary crank tinkete no ena sisi ya no nti baby e kwei ye daache no ene de we youth nyina brantie nyina na ebo edo omo rasa ne it's so when you go to Atebu Bubuno East region it's scary. There's one particular road that hey you could post it forward so you could switch forward so hey they be you rob you can say traders so more rob cars and na post it for near switch for you could more was now Charlie within I think it was within 2 weeks just say you could please ni 1 week you know the other week soldier head teacher you could wait that's too much. We are scared at GP. A one boy you suro, that's yentimink. Why now go can was a match? Ye be catch them one. More mobet me at to near mano. And I'll come from focus. You will see Ghana in heaven. Ghana soon to me in heaven. But ye himself met me a kick ye mess in he. Send ye a cheer positive be a positive wa. Mutimi a kikan ye messi ni na fe mutimi cheer cromphone. Yes, someone is up. We want that security. Don't wait for something to happen before you take action. I know what's the day. Banks, you know, one more car, no more, you know, and yeah, was a bulletproof. And a more pay armor car, no answer for IGP than one because right now the incident now it isn't the first one. Isn't the first time I shoot police. Last time I heard, you know, yes, billion vanny, a biana na yes car, this care kwana, and also I confirm attack a woman. Ambulance, one more attack it. Papa, Eastern region when the ambulance driving. Trouble and ya at the end of the day, was ambulance, what ambulance who attack ambulance day. Now so they don't care. I don't know what is wrong in the country. They don't care. You attack ambulance, you attack police, you attack ordinary citizen, you attacking people. And who is safe now? Who is safe now? May I dear Mr. Who is safe now? No one is safe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And can't one that 2 years Omushitu Aranti, Emmanuel or say, I see General Constable Emmanuel or say, Mom, ya money to encourage you a now where I say, I can't mutemuno is not well equipped with what weapons, intino. More banks no warning say by the end of June no well equipped a car or armor car you won't release any of your officers to escort them for whatever. Please Ghana they are not me grow too much. Mo beto me ye kwapose fo ni nyina wie ansa na esefata no mo ya IGP me honor hamio adena we have to lose a life a soul before us right and that's a necessary thing you need to do na zamaye ya attack police baby abro mo escort billion van when him say car no mo dey kono is not up to standard near up to the standard of a billion van. No, when him said that the norm using is not up to standard, it's not a billion van, and yet it's not well equipped with weapons and yet bulletproof as if for. And when him says he can't do so post to go on him across way, or must why she see a conform, or must why they don't fear anybody. Whoever you are, they were attacking to a man who said, where your car is a massa. Now what's na wam ye shoot obi battery two obi battery mu kuno fe na mbe make arrangements abetire say van no mode kono is not well equipped with weapons and yet it's not up to standard of billion van into what. Yes rem ye nimse mo betimi aye nti na de post na mema mo ye nimse mo na betimi atoto ne ma nti na ye nyina ye ntimi me ye nti na mo wo hu nim de ne adwen no ye de ama mo se mo nyina se mo ntimi nya de a ti na nkrofo se so ho no IGP nti na nkrofo se so ho tena nchen because why seriously wo betimi aye de a ja me anhwe o yesro je na boy ho bai because now we don't have any hope. Nyame nko a sesi a no bia na nyame. Yes, ro ye nim se mo betimi ayama na proso. Na no kuma se Bokrom estate wo die ya akromfo yi ekobowura ye se baby omo no gigi sika so mo ye mini bank so mo ye den bank so na matese ye se ya chi ebi mu. You can do it. Miss Ghanaian, please. Omo ye intelligent, papa. Omo so ombe ye adwuma na masa omo ye ade class in US, please. Now so nim near na etwe omo say because if they say they work and as omo si bibi ne ye pay within shortest time omo twe omo sisi ya. Mesu apo sam crofo miensa we na onko shuti police constable yi e James now. Mesu omo twe omo within a week. You see. And you can do it. Why wait for such an incident to happen before? Why the wait? Can't you put things in order to Brony cancer prevention is better than cure. The bia you better know why mani any can say to Nema. And cry be who did shortest time no be any. Now for France near baby see na yet near unnecessary noise near cannot to now. Ghana, we are not serious. Ghana, dear near command, we and Yanko be boo, my nina, na say near be and Kunumabia. No, dear, saying Kutokura. One of our audience was a man of Krana, Yan Tom Van Enin Kutoni and Tetema Ubiano Bianza. That one is even far better. Please, authorities, please sit up. Our presidents. Mampinian and Donko Kufati, please do something to protect us because we don't know. Yes, Munyan Shishe was security, national security, Munyan Shishe, Kendapa, Monsito on your feet, Monsito on your be on your feet, get up, do something, put your minds together. Niti wo yes, Remo defense one halfway. Munina mon come get up, be on your feet, do something. Monkey can intelligence in the momentum because we are scared, and it's very scaring. It's not like we are exaggerating. This is very scaring. Imagine, police, soldiers, high-ranked personalities in the country. They are shooting them into Yaya Iguetri. Yes, we say. Yeah, that's true. God, please save Ghana. Thanks for watching.